Today we're going to demonstrate how to paint your couch. We have a client that had this amazing sectional that she left out in the sun. It's not an outdoor fabric. She pulled it from her game room upstairs and put it out in this covered patio, used it for, I think it was 2 summers, and she decided to use it. It faded really badly. She has curtains that she installed to maybe have it not fade as badly next summer, but we're going to try and give it a facelift. So this is kind of the before and after of having it faded. The couch was this color and now it's faded to this. So we're going to try and bring it back to life and see what we can do. Otherwise, she'll have to have it reupholstered, which would cost, $6,000, $7,000, cost a lot. So we're just going to give it a little facelift and see if we can get another 2 years out of it. So that's it for now. This is kind of the second part of the first video that I did. I wanted you to see the part that we've completed here versus the faded area. One thing that we did notice is that using drop cloths, you need plastic. Apparently it's leaking all the way through the couch, so you need to we're stopping and putting plastic as well as a drop cloth underneath. But just to kind of demonstrate how I'm doing this, I am using sponges, small, and I'm just doing little round motions and getting it into the seams. Like along this edge has kind of a seam, so I'm scrubbing. And then I have another one to just buff it a little bit, so I'll show you here. And I do think I'm going to do a second layer a little bit darker, but what a difference that makes already. You could even just leave it that way. Red is kind of a difficult color to do. I wasn't even sure if we'd be able to get it to this point, but what a difference. I can't believe it. It's awesome. I've painted furniture before, but I've never painted furniture that we wanted to keep the touch, the soft touch, really, really nice and soft and supple. So just kind of scrubbing it in and having the loose fibers on top remain soft. So that's the next video. We'll keep showing you more. This is the end result of what we've been doing yesterday. It's all dry and ready to be sat on. I love the color. I think it turned out really great. There's no more fading and it feels really nice and soft. I think it'll be really something great to have for the next few years. I'd love to know how long the color is going to last without fading again, but I think it's a beautiful touch. It's 2 layers of color. It was an easy project. I would highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.